Hi, welcome to Watsons Get Active, Stay Healthy Expert Tips. My name is Ruby, Watsons Pharmacist. When it comes to emergency, we all know that it's important to have an emergency kit, or known as first aid kit, at home. So, how much do you know about your first aid kit? Let's look into it to have a better understanding. Basically, it's a collection of items and equipment that we can stand by at home for emergency medical treatment. The purpose of having a first aid kit is to save life, to prevent injury from worsening, to promote wound healing, and to relieve pain. Emergency kit for outdoor or workplace use may contain more items compared to a home aid kit, depending on the nature of the activity. Because most often, we only need to keep the minimum for tending minor injuries at home. Sometimes it's inevitable to encounter minor accidents at home where we need to handle the wound straight away. So here are the few essentials for wound care. Disposable gloves, tweezer, small scissors, saline water, and cotton wool are used to clean and handle cuts and bleeding injuries. If the wound is bleeding, apply some pressure on it to stop the bleed while allowing some time for the wound to clot up. Antiseptic cream or solution is then applied on the wound after cleaning to prevent infection. Some of the antiseptic cream over the counter also has the additional benefits of promoting wound healing. Then you can use dressing gauze with bandage or plasters to cover the wound up while allowing some time for the wound to heal. You can also keep triangular bandage in your emergency kit to support or immobilize injured bone or joint. It can also serve as a pad to control bleeding. Remember to keep some safety pin as well to pin the bandage together. In any case of injury related to eye, it's good to have some eye drop or eye wash in your emergency kit as well. Remember that the standard shelf life for eye drop is 1 month after opening. Besides all this, it's also important to keep some pain medication in your emergency kit as well. The most common one is paracetamol. It is very useful in addressing acute pain due to minor injury or minor fever that you can self-manage at home. Remember to check the medicines regularly to ensure they are within the active shelf life. If the injury is serious, bleeding doesn't stop, or the fever doesn't subside, seek medical advice immediately. If you're unsure of what to buy or prepare on your own, do speak to our health experts to find out what's suitable for you, or you can buy the first aid kits that are prepared with the essentials at our stores. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye!